Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the traffic light on an Arduino Uno, and this is the schematic on the breadboard. I'm just quickly going to go through this. So basically, this is your traffic light 1, this is your traffic light 2. The reason this is 1 and 2 and not 1, 2, 3, 4, for example, is because these two are synchronized and this is important for your code. And this is traffic light 3 and traffic light 4. These two are also synchronized. So you can imagine this as like a four-way stop, like a traffic light, where when these guys have green, they are going, and then when these guys have green, they are going while they have red. So very simply, I first connected my negative poles and my positive poles to make sure that the entire breadboard is connected. Otherwise, this will not fit. Then you put down your red, orange, and green LEDs for all four, and then you have to connect up your cathodes, so your negative side, with your negative side using these blue cables, as you can see here. These do not have to be blue, I just made it blue so that you can see it simpler. I know over here it looks a bit confusing, but this resistor is connected to the positive pole of this green LED, and basically all these resistors are connected to positive poles going into the positive side. All of these also into the positive poles, which are the anodes. So, like you can see, all of these are into the positive. And then you also want to have a wire going from your positive into your Arduino. So I'm going from pin 2 to pin 13, as well as a ground going into my negative. So the yellow wires are coming from traffic light 4. They're going from pin 11 to 13, and it goes green is pin 11, orange is pin 12, and red is pin 13. And like that, I do it for all of them, green being the lowest number in all of them. So green is 8, 9, and 10, and then 5, 6, and 7. Sorry, this looks a bit messy, but it was the easiest way so that you could still see this blue wire over here. And then 2, 3, and 4, just like that. That's basically it for the breadboard. Let's go look at the coding. I'll show you the coding in the description. You can copy and paste it if you want. Basically, first I state all my variables, which are all my LEDs. So the G1 stands for green light number 1, which correlates to this green light over here. And that's in pin 2, as you can see over here. And I'm not going to do this for all of them, but it's pretty self-explanatory. G1 to G4, O1 to O4, that's for your orange traffic lights, and red 1 to red 4. Very simple. And then I'm stating that all my pins are output pins by using this for loop. And I'm also saying that all of them are off to start. This is important because otherwise one of them might still be on from previous coding or something. So I'm just stating that all of them are off. If you don't know how this for loop works, I suggest watching a different video on it. It's pretty simple. Here I'm stating my variables again because the coding for some reason doesn't see them over here. And then I basically start by saying which green lights are on and which red ones are on. Everything else is still off. Because everything is off over here already, this is not necessary. But I like putting it there in case any errors occur. So I'm saying that green 1 and 2 are on, and red 3 and 4 are on as well. So green 1 and 2, and red 3 and 4. So these guys are now going, and then obviously they are going for 10 seconds, so it's green for them for 10 seconds. Then it's orange for them, while they still have red, it's orange for 3 seconds. And while everybody is red for 3 seconds so that there's no accidents, everything is red. And after 3 seconds, the other side, the green goes on while they stay red. And this basically goes to orange and red. And then the whole thing repeats itself going back from green. And that should be it. You'll see a video now of this working. I do apologize, I do not have any short cables, so mine does look a bit like a mess. but that's okay. Um, the concept is still there, and you can still see all the traffic lights working in synchronization.